In this video, I'm breaking down the exact ways I use ChatGPT to save hours of time every week and how you can use it too, especially if you're running a handmade or product-based business on your own. If that sounds like your world too, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. I'm documenting the full journey of growing nightlight candles from the ground up. Running a candle business by yourself is hard. Running it while working 50 plus hours a week at a full-time job, that's a different kind of grind. I don't have a team, I don't have any assistants, I'm packing orders, answering emails, writing product listings, trying to market, all while showing up for my customers. And honestly, it gets overwhelming fast. That's why I started using ChatGPT, not as a shortcut, but as a tool to help me work smarter and stay ahead without burning out. So if this interests you, let's get into it. Let's be real. When you run a small business by yourself, especially one like candle making, you wear every single hat. You're the production team, the marketing department, customer service, logistics, social media, copywriter, website tech, creative director. And if you're like me, you're also working a full-time job. There were so many nights I'd get off work, come home and realize, great, I still have to write an email campaign or finish a product description or answer that wholesale inquiry or figure out how much fragrance oil I need for a new batch, all while prepping for a vendor fair or packing orders from that week. And the thing is, I do want help. I'd love to hire an assistant or somebody I could hire, but I'm not at that point yet financially. Like many of you, I'm building this business from the ground up and every dollar has to count. It wasn't that I didn't know how to do these things, it was that I didn't have the bandwidth to do them all consistently. And I definitely didn't have the money to outsource it all. That's when I started using ChatGPT. Not to take over my voice or my brand, but to help lighten the load and give me some more breathing room. Once I started using ChatGPT, it became more than a convenience. It became a real asset. It helps me write faster, market smarter, and get clarity without wasting hours of time. Let me show you exactly how I use it. 1. Peer reviewing emails and writing email campaigns. I send a lot of emails, wholesale inquiries, event pitches, thank you messages, customer replies, and then there's my email list. Launches, promos, behind the scenes updates. When I'm tired or in a rush, I don't always trust how I sound. So I use ChatGPT as a peer reviewer. I write the email in my own voice, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to improve its flow, fix grammar, and keep the tone friendly and professional. It also helps me write full email campaigns from bullet points. I'll give it the scent, the mood, and what I want the email to accomplish, and it builds the structure for me. Here's a sample prompt. Can you review and rewrite this email to sound professional and friendly? Keep the message the same and fix any grammar or punctuation issues. And then you paste the email right below it. Here's another sample prompt. Write an email campaign for a new fall candle release. The scent is warm snickerdoodle. Make the tone cozy and enthusiastic. Include a short intro, description of the candle, and a call to action. Number 2. Brainstorming scent names. Naming candles is one of my favorite things, but sometimes the creativity just isn't there. I'll tell ChatGPT the scent notes, the mood, and ask it to generate name ideas. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. You can ask for a list of 10, a list of 20, a list of 50, and it'll push it out all right there for you. Here's a sample prompt you can use. Can you give me 10 luxury candle scent names for this blend? Top, coconut, orange zest, middle, vanilla tonka, gardenia, and base, amber musk. The vibe should be relaxing, high-end, and coastal. 3. Writing product descriptions and SEO strategy. Writing descriptions takes forever when you want to get it just right, especially if you're trying to make them SEO friendly. That's why I asked ChatGPT to act as a Shopify SEO expert. I give it the scent notes, some keywords that I want to target, and I let it generate a polished, search-optimized description. I tweak it from there, but it gives me a strong foundation. Here's a sample prompt for that. As a Shopify SEO expert, I'm creating a listing for a luxury 8-ounce woodwick candle. Scent notes, coconut, orange zest, shea butter, driftwood, exotic musk. Write a product description using keywords like luxury candles, woodwick candle, clean burning candles, coconut soy, wax candles, motivational gift. 4. Marketing and ad copy. Marketing used to take up so much of my time because I didn't know what to say or how to format things depending on the platform. Now, I literally ask ChatGPT to act as a marketing expert. I'll have it break down how ads should look on Instagram versus Facebook, then ask it for 5 to 10 ad variations to use for my latest product drop. Here's a sample prompt for that. Act as a digital marketing expert. How should a product ad for a new candle launch be structured differently from Instagram versus Facebook? And here's a prompt for copy variation. Write 5 short ad copy variations to promote a fall-themed candle collection. Make them platform-friendly and scroll-stopping. Target audience is women aged 25 to 45 who love cozy aesthetics and home decor. Instead of spending an hour coming up with one caption, now I've got a whole campaign I can repurpose across all my platforms. And 5, fragrance load calculations. So for the most part, I use CandlePal for most of my candle batch calculations. It's super easy and accurate. But when it comes to like my car diffusers, things get trickier. I have to go to the IFRA to check how much fragrance oil I can use per scent, and then I use ChatGPT to calculate it for me. It saves me from doing math at midnight and helps me stay compliant. Here's a sample prompt. I'm making 16 car diffusers using 8 milliliter bottles. IFRA allows me to use up to 25% fragrance oil for this formula. The rest is diffuser base. How much fragrance oil and how much base do I need in total in ounces? You can even ask, can you show me the formula you used? And it will explain everything so you understand the math too. Why ChatGPT works so well, especially for creatives. Some people think using ChatGPT takes away your creativity, but I found that it actually gives you more freedom to be creative because I'm not stuck doing the stuff that burns me out. It doesn't take over my voice, it doesn't make the decisions for me, it just helps me move faster with more confidence and gives me time back to focus on what really matters, creating great products and building my brand. Whether I needed to act as a Shopify SEO expert, a marketing strategist, or a candle making assistant, it adapts. If you're a solo creator or a business owner trying to grow something meaningful, this tool isn't cheating, it's smart, and it helps you show up better. Use it. So yes, ChatGPT has become one of the most valuable tools in my candle business. Not because it replaces what I do, but because it makes me better at what I already do. As someone running this business alone while working full time, time is everything. And don't forget, I have a family too. I don't have the luxury of sitting for hours brainstorming or writing perfect emails or calculating formulas from scratch. ChatGPT gives me the support system without needing to hire anyone or sacrifice quality. From email campaigns to SEO product descriptions, scent names, and ad copy, even fragrance load math, it helps me save hours of time every week. And more importantly, it's helped me to keep showing up for this business even when life gets chaotic. If you're building something on your own too, whether it's candles, skincare, clothing, whatever, I highly recommend giving it a try. You don't have to be a tech person or a copywriter. You just have to be willing to ask for help. And now you've got a tool that can give it to you. So if you found this video helpful, drop a comment and let me know how you're using ChatGPT or if you're planning to try it first. Like this video if it gave you value. Subscribe if you want more real behind the scenes content about growing a handmade business from the ground up. And if you want to go even deeper, ask questions, or bounce ideas around, check out the Night Circle, our YouTube membership. You'll get access to monthly live Q&As, office hours with me, and a community of business-minded creatives figuring it all out together. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.